Hey, good day everyone. I'm happy to bring you this battery-powered pruner here. Let's check this thing out. Well, it's got a nice hard case to store it in, which is really nice. A couple of latches there. Got the directions here. Got a sharpening stone, Allen wrench, regular wrench, and some oil. Got the charger here. Look at this, it comes with 2 batteries too, which I really love. 21-volt batteries. It's great. You can check the levels on them right there. You got full batteries right out of the box. Here's the pruner itself. Got a nice handle on there. Feels really good in your hand. You do a 1-finger trigger, 2-finger trigger. Check out those blades right there. And it's got a little indicator right here too. It'll also have an indicator down here. Plug the battery in right here. Now we can turn it on right there. Hit that twice. And we're ready to rock and roll. Just like that quick. And when you want to turn it off, hold that button down. Now it's off. You can see that's off there too. Turn it back on. Hold that down, and you can see it gives you the power percentage up there too. Hit it twice, and that engages it. There's how you charge it. Okay, now in the kit here, you see it has the sharpening stone and the 2 wrenches. That's to take the blades off and sharpen your blades up when you need to. So the wrenches for that, and the Allen wrenches for that. If you loosen those blades will pop right off, and you'll be able to sharpen them right on that sharpening stone. Just cuts right through that stuff, no problem. Right there. These are great. These work awesome. Look at that. It just pops through that stuff like it's nothing. Definitely don't want to get your finger in there. Oh, yeah, look at that. It's pretty thick too. Pretty thick diameter stuff. Try some thicker stuff here. Oh man, that works great. Get this little stuff, and it bounces back really quick, so you can do a lot of work in a hurry with these. If you have big brush piles like this, makes it really nice. You can just take and snip it all up like that, rather than try to get your chainsaw in here and get it all goofed up and get the chain falling off. Look at that, that was nice. This is just the tool I needed for this big, huge brush pile here. I got a lot of stuff to cut up, and this is gonna do the trick. Those really thin stuff, easy too. Thinner stuff, some green stuff. No problem at all there. It's great. This would be great for trimming trees too, trimming Christmas trees. If you're a Christmas tree trimmer, man, these would be great. Look at that. Really just chops right through that, no problem. All right, overall, really happy with this thing. This is just the tool I needed for the job.